Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Wednesday, March 11th. We had 3 trades, pulled out 30.3 pips on a size adjusted. Killed it on one of them. The last trade, we're going to go over the euro to Australian dollar. Did pretty well, even though it was size adjusted. Also did very well with Australian dollar to the US dollar on a full scalp. So let's get to it. Really, no economic news to speak about. It's been a slow week with the economy on news. Although I think we get interest rate decision from Australia this evening, or actually it's like late this afternoon on the East Coast. So that could present some volatility and some options this evening. We shall see what they do there. Other than that, really, it's been quiet for the most, low level, low volatility type economic numbers have come out. Not even much they're not even worth talking about. We're all about the bigger type data points that are out there. Let's get to it. First one you're looking at here is Australian dollar, US dollar. We were short this 0.76330. Took about an hour or so, and it finally broke down. Picked up 9.7 pips. I think we got out a little too early. It was coming to an area that we thought might be some support, which was, about another, call it 10 pips to 12 pips lower from where we covered. Probably could have held off or pieced it out, but we took it's a full scalp, so you're going to be careful. So we picked up the 9.7. It actually broke the support level and came in harder before it bounced. And then you can see here all night and early this morning, it kind of hovered. It's been hovering right around that support area, and finally broke down in the past hour or so. So we'll see what that does. Again, I believe they're coming out with their interest rate decision later this afternoon, so we'll check that out. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, we had 15% of our normal size. This was a swing / scalp trade. We were short this 0.72741. Took it quite some time. Was against us a little bit. Nowhere near getting stopped on it. Again, it's only 15%. Finally started to come in. We covered it before shutting everything down for the evening, picking up 20 pips, size adjusted 3 pips. Again, it was coming right to a support area, so we were looking to cover there since we were going to shut down for the evening. If we weren't shutting down for the evening, probably would have held on because it's a swing. It's a swing, more of a swing type trade. Only 15% of our normal size, so we're looking for a much bigger move, which ultimately happened. So we definitely got out of this too early. But again, you're staring at the profits in your face. You're shutting it down for the evening. It's like, take it and move on. It's been a slow week anyway, right? So you're trying to book as much profits as you can. And then this was the one we killed last night, Euro Australian dollar. Short this 1.40156. Went against us by the time we were shutting it down for the evening. But again, we were down about 40 or 50 pips. We have 15% of our normal size. We're risking 150 pips or so. We're risking up here. So it was nowhere near getting stopped out, so we weren't worried about it. We didn't have our cover in. We should have had it in right around the figure of 1.39. Again, it's a swing trade, so we're looking for a big move. We're looking for 80, 100, 120, 150 pips, something like that. Coming this morning, and it's right around the figure early this morning. So we covered it. And we picked up 117.8 pips, size adjusted 17.6. Of course, after we covered, it broke down and it ran all the way down to like 138.70 or so. So we, could have left something on the table there. If we had bigger size, we would have been piecing out. But the fact of the matter is, we're not going to trade big size when it's a swing. So again, 15% of our normal size, equivalent to 17.6 pips. But we'll take it. 30.3 pips on the 3 trades, and we'll move on to tomorrow. If, like I said, later this afternoon, we have some, I believe, is an interest rate decision from Australia. I'm not looking at the calendar, but off the top of my head, I believe it is. It could be around 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, too, which is actually early. What else? And that's it. So we're going to wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. Stay on your toes for that news from Australia. Could definitely move markets. I believe tomorrow morning we have some high level numbers here in the States. Retail sales, I believe, off the top of my head. Again, I'm not 100% sure, but always check your economic calendar. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. If you're trading now, good luck. And we'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action. Have a great rest of your day.